Welcome to Shiriro Research. Blackboard cleaning is difficult for people, particularly for teachers and students who suffer from respiratory conditions. Chalk dust contains toxic materials and other harmful substances that can have a serious negative impact on our bodies over time. Our innovative Arduino-based blackboard cleaning system can clean the board with just a flip of a switch. The blackboard cleaning system using Arduino is constructed from two steel pipes that are connected by ES8 pipe connectors attached to flat steel and secured with flanges. At the ends of the pipes is where you can locate the vacuum box, an Arduino Uno system box, which is responsible for the machine to work. The center portion, where the flat steel is joined, are built up of 2x2 wood strips connected to felt strips, a specific type of fabric used for cleaning the blackboard. Inside the Arduino Uno system box is composed of one Arduino Uno, one L298N motor driver, one breadboard, two 12-volt standard gear motor attached to a rubber wheel, and one toggle switch. The Arduino Uno system box uses a 12 VDC2A wall adapter power supply to power the blackboard cleaning system. Inside the vacuum box are two 12-volt PC fans with filters attached with a vacuum filter and a vacuum exhaust for the old air to be vented out. When the blackboard cleaning system is operating, debris of chalk falls into the vacuum box, which is responsible for cleaning it up. The blackboard cleaning system has a built-in vacuum and is reusable if you run out of felt strips because you can simply buy it at your typical school supply shops and replace it quickly. Our product does not only clean the blackboard but also prevent chalk dust when wiping away the chalk marks. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.